Hello everyone, my name is Fofolicious Food Bites, and here in this food journey I want you to enjoy all the recipes I'll be showing you, and we're going to create different types of recipes with twist. Every food's supposed to be creative, right? So we're going to make everything creative, from cooking to baking to craft. Yes, craft, where you can make different types of beautiful boxes for your food and everything. So stay tuned, watch with me, and let's just make the best of this journey together. Thank you everyone. So today we're going to make basmati rice with beef stir fry. So the stir fry is going to be simple but very colorful with different type of vegetables. So let's cook. So let me introduce all the ingredients we'll be using today. We're going to use the spring onion, the bell peppers, different type of bell pepper. Let me say the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the carrot. But I love the colors the green and the red and the yellow bell pepper brings, and the aroma. Wow, it's always very, very lovely. Now for the aromatics, we have the ginger and the garlic. Both peas are very, very lovely. In fact, when you put them into the stir fry, it's like very, very nice. I recommend it always to use. Now for the seasoning and the spices, all mixed together, different types to give you the best flavor, of course, Fofolicious best flavor. Now also the corn flour, we've already mixed a little bit of water inside the corn flour, so it's ready for use. And the dark soy sauce, I really want you to use the dark soy sauce for this recipe, because you just get to use just a little. And of course the oil, you just use a little bit of groundnut oil. And the star ingredient of the day, of course, the beef for our stir fry, and also the basmati rice, and just some sesame seeds for garnishing. So here we go, all ingredients here. I'm just checking to make sure all the beef are thinly sliced. Earlier I did a bit of velvet, and that is marinating the beef with a little baking soda, just a little. It gives the beef a smooth, silky texture that just melts in your mouth. It's time to cut all my vegetables: spring onions, carrots, and yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. My vegetables are sliced now. Next, I'll start cutting in the garlic and ginger, and finally onions. At this stage, please make sure all your ingredients are ready and close to you, because once you heat your pan and pour in the oil, it's time to start, and all the ingredients must start coming in as you stir fry. Next, I'm adding in some oil into the pan. In goes the beef, it's already sizzling here. I'm now adding the garlic and ginger to give me that wonderful aroma. Next is the onions. The onions must mix very well with the beef. At this stage, I'm turning the beef to give me a very nice brown, golden brown color and soft texture before I add in all the veggies. First, I'm going to put in the carrots. Carrot is a bit harder than other veggies, so I'll just put in the veggies. Then little by little, I'll just start stirring it from time to time to make sure that all the carrots is tender and everything before I start putting in the other vegetables. So now the veggies that is coming in are my colorful veggies. The red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper. Yes. Then I'll now sprinkle just a little bit of spring onion. That's what I'm going to put now. Then I'll stir it very well at this point, so that I'll start putting in my soy sauce and the corn flour. Don't forget, we already mixed a little bit of water into the corn flour so that it can give us a very nice, silky and smooth texture. And now we'll combine all the beef and the veggies very well, because it will soon be time to put in the spring onion. The last stage of the stir fry is to just sprinkle a little bit of spring onion. I want to retain the color, that's a green color, and also spring onion doesn't really like heat, so it changes fast when it's going to just change the green color, and I don't want that. I want it to be vibrant, I want it to be beautiful. So I'm putting in the last stage now, which is the spring onion and sesame seeds for garnishing. And here is my basmati and beef stir fry. Beautiful, delicious. And here we have it, simple and quick beef stir fry and basmati rice. Let me know if you're going to recreate this recipe and how it all turned out.